क्या आप जानते हैं हम स्वीट मिठाई को भी कहते हैं और स्वीट होटल के लग्जरी रूम्स को भी कहते हैं. And there are so many such interesting and confusing pair of words in English that we are going to discuss today in this video. And I have a good news for you that this video is going to be in Hinglish, which means हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश मिक्स्ड. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए और भी ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग एंड यूज़फुल होने वाली है. सो डू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. Hi, my name is Soumya and welcome to my channel. Let's chat and learn, because the more you chat, the more you learn. So as I said, in this video, I will be discussing with you some commonly confused pair of words in English. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, then do you see that like button here and the subscribe button? Then what are you waiting for? Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and then we can move ahead in the video. So our first pair of confusing word is accept and accept. So the word accept, that is A-C-C-E-P-T, is a verb and we pronounce it as accept, accept. And the meaning of the word is स्वीकार करना, or to say yes to something or agree to do something. For example, I accepted the job offer. मतलब मैंने जॉब ऑफर स्वीकार किया. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज accept. The pronunciation of this word is slightly different, although it is not very noticeable, but there is slight difference. We pronounce it as accept, accept. You can repeat after me, accept, and this word is a preposition. मतलब के अलावा या के अतिरिक्त or excluding something. Example, he knows everybody except you. मतलब वो सबको जानता है आपके अलावा. Next pair of word in the list is desert and desert. The word desert is a noun and also a verb, meaning a place that is hot, dry and covered with sand. मतलब रेगिस्तान. As a verb, desert means to leave somebody in a difficult situation. मतलब किसी को मुश्किल में छोड़ देना. Example, Raj deserted his friend for money. So dessert is something sweet that you generally have after your meal. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, खाने के बाद तो कुछ मीठा होना चाहिए. And a dessert can be ice cream, cake, rasgulla. For example, after having dinner at a restaurant, you can ask the waiter, what do you have for dessert? Okay, here comes our third pair of word, that is sweet and sweet. So sweet is a noun meaning something made of sugar, जैसे कि मिठाई. Next word sweet is a set of connected rooms in a hotel with luxurious facility. And a hotel suite is more spacious and more bigger than a hotel room to give you that luxury feel. Okay, so next pair of word in the list is coarse and coarse. Pronunciation absolutely same. So the word coarse is an adjective meaning something rough to touch, something that is not smooth or not soft, यानी कुछ खुरदुरा सा. Example, this piece of cloth is coarse. Now next word is course. Similar pronunciation. The word is a noun and also a verb. Course means a series of lessons or chapters on a particular subject. यानी कि आपका पाठ्यक्रम. और ये शब्द हम स्कूल टाइम से सुनते आ रहे हैं. अरे कोर्स क्या है, एग्जाम्स आने वाले, मैंने तो कुछ पढ़ा ही नहीं अभी. या फिर मेरा तो कोर्स ही कंप्लीट नहीं है, अब मैं क्या करूँगा एग्जाम में. सो इस तरीके के वर्ड हमने हमेशा सुने. सो आवर नेक्स्ट पेयर ऑफ वर्ड इज pray and pray. The word pray, P-R-A-Y, pray, is also a noun and a verb. So when we pray, we generally fold our hands and we speak to God. हे भगवान गाड़ी दिला दे, बंगला दिला दे, एग्ज़ाम में पास करा दे. यही बोलते हैं ना हम आजकल. Okay, jokes apart. Example, I pray every morning. जो दूसरा वर्ड है दैट इज़ P-R-E-Y, pray, ये वर्ड एक नाउन भी है और वर्ब भी. सो प्रे मीन्स those animals who are killed and haunted by other big animals for food, यानी कि ऐसे छोटे जानवर जिनका बड़े जानवरों के द्वारा शिकार किया जाता है खाने के लिए, such as deer, rabbit. These are prey animals. Alright, so next in the list is complement and complement. The word complement that has I in the middle, this word is a noun and also a verb. मतलब किसी की तारीफ करना, किसी को प्रेस करना. So अगर कोई आपसे कहता है you are looking gorgeous today, so this is a compliment, and in return to this compliment you can always say thank you for the compliment. Now another word is complement that has E in the middle. This word is also a noun and a verb. इसका मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ को किसी दूसरी चीज़ में मिलाकर और भी ज़्यादा खूबसूरत और बेहतर बनाना. Example, this necklace complements your new dress. मतलब ये जो नेकलेस है ये आपकी नई ड्रेस को और भी ज़्यादा बेहतर और खूबसूरत बना रहा है. Now next on the list is principle and principle. The word principle that ends with PAL is an adjective and also a noun. Principle का मतलब होता है main या most important. Example, my principal goal is to improve my English. यानी कि मेरा main goal है कि मैं अपनी English improve करूँ. प्रिंसिपल का मतलब किसी स्कूल या किसी इंस्टीट्यूशन का हेड भी होता है, यानी कि किसी स्कूल का जो हेड होता है उसे हम प्रिंसिपल कहते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, द प्रिंसिपल wants to see your parents. Maybe you did something wrong and now the principal wants to see your parents. Now next word is principle that ends with PLE. This word is a noun. इसका मतलब होता है आपके सिद्धांत, your ideas, your beliefs about your life. So, example, I will not steal money because this is against my principles. यानी कि मैं पैसे नहीं चुराऊंगा क्योंकि ये मेरे principles यानी कि मेरे सिद्धांतों के खिलाफ है. So, next on the list is advice and advice. The word advice is a noun. मतलब सलाह, मशवरा. So, for example, I can say, I would like to give you a piece of advice. यानी कि मैं तुम्हें एक सलाह देना चाहता हूँ. So, next is advice. Pronunciation बहुत हल्का सा different है. You can repeat after me. Advise, advise. So this word is a verb, मतलब सलाह देना. Alright. So example is, I advised her to leave the country, or I advised her to go to a doctor. कहीं जाइएगा नहीं. इस लेसन के अंत में मैंने एक एक्सरसाइज दिया हुआ है. You have to solve that exercise और उसके आंसर्स आपको कमेंट बॉक्स में पोस्ट करने हैं. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है हम लेसन पढ़ लेते हैं, हमें लगता है हाँ हमें सब आ गया, बट फिर भूल जाते हैं. सो ऐसा नहीं करना है. हम इस जो एक्सरसाइज मैंने दी है आप इसको करेंगे, इसके आंसर्स को कमेंट बॉक्स में पोस्ट करेंगे. ऑलराइट. Alright, so this brings me to the end of this video, and I hope you have liked the video because I have really enjoyed this Hindi and English mixed video. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your little support encourages me a lot. So thank you so much for watching me. Bye bye. Have a good day.